How to fix Huawei Nova 13 Wi-Fi keeps turning on. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then check your net connection. And after checking your net connection, then open settings. And then scroll down and click on battery. Now here you can turn off your power saving mode. If you turn this button on, then turn it off. After turning off your power saving mode, then open settings and scroll down and click on system and updates. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it. And here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.